welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is rainbow scratch paper. My kids absolutely love these. It does come with 50 sheets of paper, 6 wooden stylers, 4 drawing stencils, and 1 gift box. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's all inside. My kids use these, they have used these before, but not the same brand. And they are for ages 3 and up. This is how it comes. So it has product instructions, some cute little stencils that you can use with it, which is a really good idea. So it has like some beach themes, like crab, train, looks like a violin, elephant, some just different ones, a flower with a pot. This one's more for boys. It has bicycles, clouds, vehicles, ambulance, teapot. These are just like people and cats and ducks and emojis. So it's really cute. And then this one has some animals on it. It also has like different designs right here that you can use, like on all of them. So that's everything right there. And it comes with these. And this is actually what you will use to scratch into the paper. And it actually comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I said that already when I first started. And then this is the paper itself. Now when storing these, you want to always keep a paper like this on top of it so that it does not get scratched up. And then I'm going to point my camera down and just show you, and I'm going to let my kids do it as well because they're going to absolutely love this. Of course I'm going to do the plant because I love plants. So I can do something like this. And you just and you can do it either side. Kids love making it their own way. So something like that. And then I can put my flower pot. Just say you're gonna put your flower pot right here. Just scratch it all out. So as you can see, that's what I have so far. Look how stinking cute. And then I'm gonna put a little butterfly flying sideways right here. So that's what it looks like. Super cute. Let's see if I can find anything else. We're gonna put a stormy day. And add a little kitty cat and a dog. So as you can see, that's my little picture, and you can add more. There's like a lot of different things that you can add. As you can see right there, there's like little chickens and like a bigger one, baby ones, a lot of different things, or you can just do your own thing. You don't have to use the stencils. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.